work.
Okay, alright, so here's what we're doing today. We are going to be taking our test today, our chapter test. Remember, you can always retake it if you're not happy with your score, so you're going to need to ask. And don't ask me when you hand it in. Where I'm going to do the retake, I hate that. If you ask me that when you're handing it in, you're not taking retake. Just let me know that, so don't tell me that. So, you always get the chance to retake it unless you ask me that silly question before I get graded it. I'm going to hand those out here in a second. For those who are gone, I know the two girls were gone yesterday. You guys can just do a work on review, kind of work on what you need to and stuff. The review was not due as homework, it's just something we did in class. I'll make sure the video is posted in case you watch the videos and stuff. So, today what our goal is to take this test, get it done. I'm going to hand it out here in a second. And then I know for a select few of you, you're going to be working in a different room. On it, so I'll just go through the directions here. So here's the practice guide we went through. Basically went through about half of it together yesterday in class, just kind of reviewing. It wasn't due as homework, it was just something we just kind of worked on. Alright. Let's see. It's not, it was just something we did in class. It was an activity yesterday. So it was just something, it was nice to have something in your hand you can kind of look at. Work on it if you want to. It wasn't due as homework, I kind of told you that. Let's see. Yeah,
Angela.
Okay.
That's because there's 6 rows.
Yeah, there's 6 rows and 5.
It's like
I think we're all missing Don.
Angel.
Did Angel move? No.
he has to get the school reading these.
He didn't really do anything last time.
So, okay. Alright.
I just passing.
Let me mark the attendance here.
Are they just packing?
They did what?
No, at the game. He didn't do
Okay.
anything.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay. Alright, so let me hand these out. Remember the test is out. I don't want anyone talking at this point. Everything off the top of your desk, no computers, no folders, nothing. You get a multiplication chart. Hold those up. They're amazing. Okay, I'll give you one of those multiplication charts if you prefer one. Some people do.
Hey,
So
I
you
got a
can
question.
use that. You
So
can
when
not
you
use
turn
calculator.
something into an improper do from a mixed number to an improper to
Just multiply the
top
bottom.
and then add.
At the top. Okay.
And
Okay.
then
So,
you put the bottom one as
oh, this
the
is the bottom.
bottom.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. All right. So when they hand these out, you guys just don't put your name on this. This is just so you can see the direction. Okay. So there's already one that this is a, so you don't want to. So I'll collect these back before you leave. All right. Okay. All right. I'll give you a multiplication chart here in a second. Ooh, I missed one of those. There it is. All right. So, who would like a multiplication chart? Okay. So, you'd like it? Yeah, sure. Think through it. Okay. There you go. Again, this will definitely be helpful. Both would like one. Anyone else? Girls, did you need one just for your practice kit? Do you guys want one? Okay. All right. Anyone else want one? All right. So let's go through the directions here. I'm going to get rid of the name chart here. We don't need that. Okay. So. All right, for your directions on your test here, we'll go kind of through it. It's basically the same directions as the 2 practice guides, so you don't need to worry about that. Number 1, you're simplifying the fractions. Remember, break them up, cross out terms up and down. That's how you simplify fractions. Number 3, you're writing that as an improper fraction. Right now, it's a mixed number on number 3. Write it as an improper. Number 4, that's an improper fraction, write it as a mixed number. Figure out how many like 4 pans are in.
Is 19 the pans or is 4?
4 is the pan.
So you write pan 4, like 4.
Yeah, you get a bunch of those.
Okay.
Okay, yep. All right, 5, you're finding all the factors of that number there. Just make sure you use your multiplication chart. You should get most of them. There might be one that might not be on the actual multiplication table, but you should get most of them. 6, tell me which classification are those 2 numbers. I've written all the classifications there and I put them in order, so you kind of know them, so you're welcome for that. 7 and 8, you're just telling me if the answer is positive or negative. So know if you're multiplying, if you're adding, know the rule for that, okay? 9 through 12, you're comparing the numbers. Remember, when you do fractions, try to make the denominators the same. That way you can figure out how to change the top, unless you just happen to know it. 13 through the rest, you're either adding, multiplying, dividing, that type of thing. It's really close to what you guys did yesterday. I just changed the order a little bit to make it more flowing. So there you go. Remember, the big thing I'm checking for is show work, especially when you're doing adding and subtracting, multiplying on the very back page. The front page show if you're simplifying. But that's pretty much about it. You have the entire class to work on this today. Get it done, turn it in. If you get it done early, work on whatever else you need to, just stay quiet. That's all I ask. So others can work in peace. But yeah, very good. I don't know what's yours, and you guys can go. So good luck to you. Thanks. Girls, I'll make sure I post the video from yesterday.